Hey everybody, welcome to Marchant Chevrolet, located in Ravenel, South Carolina, home of the no-nonsense carbine. Hey everybody, welcome to Marchant Chevrolet. This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive one work truck. Comes with a 4.3-liter V6 engine, gets 24 on the highway, 18 in city for average combined of 20 miles per gallon. Does have your vinyl seats on the interior, CD player, still has the multi-information display on the inside, and it's a good work truck all around. Folks, if you need something to get the job done, this is it right here at Marchant Chevrolet. Please stop by our dealership in Ravenel, South Carolina. No dealer admin fees, no dock fees, $98 over factory invoice. We'll see you then.